Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll look at the key features of the Qubo video doorbell. The Qubo video doorbell instantly notifies the user about who is at the door, anywhere and at any time. It can record videos at a resolution of 1080p, making sure the user gets a clear view of everything that happens outside the door. It also enables two-way communication via its accompanying app. The smart doorbell is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It can also store videos locally thanks to a built-in micro SD card slot. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.